been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
William is playing with some string and piece of wood. Wait, what you say I make guitar? See your face.
Love that.
Oh.
The back.
What are you making? So they make guitar. So, what kind of guitar are you making since you make guitar? What kind of guitar are you making?
One guitar we can catch bird.
One guitar you can catch bird.
You can use the bamboo and make guitar, you know.
Yeah, used to do it.
You used to do it. So you used to play guitar?
I make the bamboo and the
Just give bamboo and make this strip and push the wood through it.
So where you learn how to make this thing that you're making?
Oh. This?
Yes.
From childhood, this I make. No longer I make one color, but I know we make again.
You don't remember how we make? So how you make it?
So wing it.
See, when you make it, you know, and twist it.
Oh,
Twist it and then you build up it.
you just wing it. How long does it take to make?
I can't cut up the wood then. So.
That look Brad do.
Huh?
Look Brad. Oh, you won't go up. So you're not really alright. By the time you go up, look here now, because I'm a big old bird when I see.
Who teach you how to build these things?
What?
Say who teach you how to build these things? Obviously you had to see somebody either teach you or you watch.
Used to Billy.
Huh?
Everybody used to Billy.
Oh.
Like, once you want to catch bird.
So when you used to do with the bird them when you catch them?
Eat them.
Fry them, fry them.
Fry them?
To make soup.
Mario no eat bird?
No matter.
It's a big thing for night. You see, don't I cook a walk down there, so?
Mm-hmm.
Down there, so then bird them they know. Because they eat the cocoa.
Oh.
The wolf and partridge down there, so.
Yes, so then they not go on like they don't want to catch.
You know, spit in the nigga.
I might not catch one bird again. If right now, if I said if I pick down this, you catch partridge.
Mm-hmm. But you know have to put something in there if you catch it. Like bait.
You use cocoa seed, yeah.
Just take the cocoa seed and strip off the white piece of it and the brown piece.
Okay, you know, them love that.
They love that.
Oh.
Get the ripe cocoa. Sometimes we just eat off the... yeah, we just look off the seed, we just put in a calabash. Strip off and put in a calabash.
And they... You do it... Come so. You do it again, and it's going to come right up.
Oh.
See how much work?
That look like a whole heap of work, yes.
What is?
It would have come in like what you call it? What is that game that they call? Where they put the blocks them on top of each other and then you pull them out slowly to see if them drop. I have to remember. If anybody remember what that game is called, I haven't played it in so long. Let me know what it's called. It's the ones where you put the blocks them just like that and you continue building them up, and then you end up when you build it up, you take them, pull them out, and then the person will actually make the tower tumble end up lose. I forget what the game called. I know some see it the other day. I don't remember. So you know, from when he brought this wood to the yard, guys, saying he's gonna do it. I guess he finally find time. Finally, I was here doing some work, but work up on halt.
This one hot.
Hmm? This one hot. So work the pan halt. That's why we're not shady. Yeah, ain't not shady. Mm-hmm. The good thing is to remember how to use machete.
Hmm?
It's a good thing is to remember how to use machete.
Machete.
So you don't have to use something to tie those down.
I don't know.
Those.
Mm-mm.
No. So how are you supposed to trap the bird and all that?
I mean, I build. Just look and learn. You know what I learn?
If my name want to learn, wouldn't be looking.
You ask so much question.
What? Wait a minute, I ask too much questions. Questions were meant to be asked. If me not ask the question, how me go understand what you're doing?
The police.
No, me a detective. Bright. Me a higher ranking.
I don't know anything.
Don't get me wrong to the police officers that do watch our vlogs. I'm a detective. That's why I have to ask the questions them. No? Base things on facts and evidence. Yes. You know somebody eat ice cream cake right now? Oh gosh. And babes?
You know it, so.
Eh?
You know it, so.
I say, I got shop.
Oh.
So when you do that, it comes up smaller and smaller.
Yep. There you go.
But me I wonder how they would them go stay if you're not doing nothing to them.
So you mean I do something today? What me I do?
All you do, all me see you do is cut them and put them down.
So just wait till me reach the end now.
How long does this take to build?
It's soon done. You know, see?
Are we there yet?
Almost.
Oh, come on, like the kids over getting impatient. Well, I will come back when you reach. Wait.
No.
What?
No.
Where me know?
It's soon finish. Just it's soon finish. I tell you say it's soon finish here. Tell me about.
I was gonna cut the vlog
It's soon finish.
and come back when you're almost done.
I don't know.
I thought you said you can't done. So you don't know.
Me done.
Eh?
Me done.
You see your face?
See that? See it?
This space I get smaller and smaller. At the top.
Spiritly. You know, somebody eat one pizza.
When you go to the place, you have to stay all day.
Man.
That's the problem.
KFC are the worst.
And pick up the.
And when you go there, you know where you want. Do not reach up there.
So if you don't go to KFC, they use the card. If they use a card, they get too fast.
What card?
They come out the door with the card machine.
Oh, if you use your credit
At the
card.
car park.
Oh.
And once you just use it, you just get too quick.
But you don't still have to wait in a line
Which line?
if you use your credit card or debit
No.
card.
You can't swing in a car park and they come in there.
Oh.
When the one they come,
Oh.
it's different from when you go up at the front and go the drive-through, you know.
Oh.
The drive-through, I talk, you know.
Yeah.
So you have the drive-through and you can walk in
Yeah.
the credit card, like they want to use a card.
Oh. See, say if you don't know that we not get one card,
So
you get two
them,
service.
When the one they know you see the girl, them walking in the parking lot with the machine in their hand.
Yeah,
So when them take that they order, they know you get too quick.
quick. So all the people
So
them
the long line.
with the card them get through fast.
Yeah. That's the good thing, you know. They're dangerous still, but sometimes them something bigger than what we even think.
Miko.
You don't know there's something either.
Right, you.
Belly.
You don't know them something there.
Miko.
Suppose where you are
No,
standing,
thank you.
right?
Yeah, you talking. Miko, Miko. Miko.
boy.
Can't Shana talk to you.
That person there?
Rico.
Probably go pick me.
Yeah, say hi. Well, you didn't hear me I call you first time? It's your face. Miko Bam Bam.
I'll catch bird where you is.
I catch bird, Miko. Yeah, you long girl here. Where your belly, Miko?
Oh, you know,
Where are you
Miko.
up there with the bus gun right you?
This one.
With the bamboo.
Mm-mm.
You don't know that neither.
Hey, you a baby, man. Hey, you know, storm. Young bird.
They say the my generation of kids. Bamboo bike. No, no bamboo bike. A bamboo gun.
Bamboo gun.
Yes, bamboo gun.
Bamboo gun.
Mhm.
Bamboo G-U-N.
The my generation of kids don't know about them things here.
Go buy bamboo.
The things we used to
The
do.
bird them a get enough again.
Oh, so I used to kill off a bird.
Yeah?
Eh?
We used to eat them off.
Oh gosh. Kill off a bird them.
And bird can't their bush. Eat off a whole of them.
And the crayfish them a river.
Yeah.
Don't know them probably there river like no tomorrow. I mean no say back in my days, me used to go when me go fishing.
We used to love catch them.
Yeah, me used to love catch them and cook them. Me raw. And we used to steal out with mother flour. Me raw it, but we are cooking in the old tin can them. Oh man. I said those are the childhood days.
We save up the bird them. Clean them up and put them in a fridge, in a bag. And when
Eh,
you reach certain amount, with us come one day and the plan and cook one big pot of bird soup. Yeah.
gosh.
But the crayfish now, you can't look out there and cook the same day or next day.
Yeah.
The bird them now going enough.
Yeah.
So you have to save the bird. So you just clean them up and put them in the fridge when you catch them.
Mhm.
And when you reach one certain amount, just take them out. You go and
Yeah,
big
go
pot
on,
of
you.
bird soup.
You see what I'm going?
So those are the good old days.
Remember
Remember
that bird soup because we don't eat the crayfish.
Mhm.
Even though we go catch the crayfish, you know, we don't eat them, you know.
Mhm.
And the other people don't eat them.
Why? Them used to love. Used to love me pepper crayfish.
We always grew up as Adventists, so Adventists like this. And we don't eat pork neither.
Then I eat lobster.
And
And I eat crab.
from a barn, we don't eat pork, you know.
Me,
You
that's
know, we eat marrow, go up and go eat it.
No man.
But we don't think so, I eat it in Jamaica.
You know say you eat pork and you know say you eat
No,
it.
we don't eat it, you know.
You eat jello?
You eat what?
Jello.
What name so?
Jenny.
You don't eat jello? You know
It's set in a fridge.
Mhm. You eat see you eat pork.
We let no pork, Mr. Man.
You know say pork. Yeah.
Sure.
If you read the ingredient, jello has pork in it. A lot of people don't know.
Enough things are pork tonight.
Of course, and we don't know because most of the restaurants, you know, say a pork fat then use cook with.
The thing is, you know, you don't kill it, you know, but I just say go. We just not eat it, so I say go.
The high pork fat then use cook with most of them.
Even a lot of pastry too.
So I can't go down
You, know, you understand? Even a pastry,
Cut
and use
coffee.
it.
So no fight time when we think so we not eat certain things and
But all
when
some of
people
them
make
call it, they call it lard, they want one buttery looking something, white, but then using a pastry. Pork fat, make it. And enough people go to a pastry shop, go buy bread and all kind of something. Yeah? A Rasta man, they used to come buy vegetable patty, and they want something they use named sweets. In a patty, they have the crust, and that now, that a beef fat,
see.
a fat make it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And so it look like a it look like a chicken feed look.
Oh,
Because it name sweets. So they get the patty the crust. They get it crusty,
yeah,
you follow a crusty. They call it sweets. And a fat.
yeah,
All
yeah.
the man say they buy vegetable patty.
See, and then I know,
That
but
was
they
a
say a
fat
lot of
quality
things.
system.
Because even overseas, like even like the Muslims, them they certain things they don't eat and stuff, and you hear them come and they order like the egg cheese McMuffin from McDonald's, like their breakfast and stuff, or Tim Hortons,
Nothing a pork.
and a pork that's mixed in it, but they don't know, right? Because they know it's not like they really say it, and even if it's fine print, like it really small written on the thing, and people now go sit down and read to that, then they eat it. And I say, when you look on there, what for them they used to eat. I say, look how then they eat pork, and then say they don't eat pork in their religion.
It's hard to get from pork because they mix pork in
Everything.
See, bird horse.
Oh, look at that. That's neat.
That more I need. That false need.
Money, yeah, short.
Oh, you made some of them short? So you didn't measure it when you cut it?
Hmm?
You didn't measure it when you're cutting it?
But he carry that's just from that's stretch. So
And the nylon, something like that I use.
Yeah, you can't tighten
Look
it.
like plastic, something like
Yeah,
that.
try tighten it, but no, I didn't drop off.
So what you do? Put the bait tonight now inside?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Where you put the thing inside, right?
You're below and something inside.
So how would the bird go get in there?
My bird can't go through this tomorrow. You still have to put this one night.
I don't know, I think it's tighter.
Oh.
So how the bird is gonna go in there? And it's
That one, that too.
oh, so what you would do? Like put a trap, something.
Yeah, we'll ice up it.
Oh, and then it drop down when they go in night.
Yeah, we'll set two pizza sticks, like two pizza sticks by each other and put one string around it. So when they touch the stick,
It does
it
nice,
just
so.
drop.
Oh,
Like one stick out there or so.
yeah.
But the stick will cut in a two,
But
you know.
you don't have card, something like see when I got one piece of card.
Drop the card.
Oh.
Sit
So
for
once
the
they
string.
touch, once they go inside to go eat and touch
Yeah.
the card, drop down for it.
Oh, so you know have to do that for pulley.
No,
Well,
serious.
you see, but these are good survival skills you need to learn. Especially, you never know what's to happen in the near future with everything the way the world's going on. So, sometimes you might all even have to go back to your roots.
So might have to go and catch bird.
Yeah, and go eat.
Well, the bird might get no fear now, so.
Right? Yeah. Oh. And then you put your stick there, so.
I'm going to make one stick for you. Give me can't find one. Set a stick.
You have to build one stick. See madman in the yard with machete. You know see madman in the yard with machete. Me look like man to you. You say you're bright.
Okay, puppy. I hope it pop wood.
Cut the deep, you know.
Hmm? I like it.
Memphis and in dog.
You stick young.
So that one no work?
Hmm?
It work or it no work?
Look, I see.
Oh, so I said it's a tea. Okay.
So,
Where you string on already?
yeah, put the feed in there, so. And then.
So how would the bird hit that down?
Because it's
Yeah,
string.
because go in there.
More cross this, so we go feed.
I think go in the feed, you know.
So once he goes in, it automatically will fall.
You want to touch this
Once
string.
you touch the string, you just set it slight, you know, man. You know?
Once you step, remember, see if I go between the string. to
Because
get
you
the
know, so
feed
it's a string, you know, once you touch, you know. You don't go down. And you don't need to move up and down like the feed, you know.
So what happen if I Cassie go touch it? He not go drop.
Yeah, you don't drop him way out there, you catch him. Come get the feed, make you go set him.
What do you mean get the feeding? Where you get the feeding
I'll
from?
get on cocoa.
You don't
Remember, let's get on cocoa.
Tic-tac-toe in a row. Mariga Chapman V.R.O.
One to the doctor said.
Those are playing to the hand get red. Mother, can't you see what that baby has done to me? Take away my VCR, no one much to burn me. Tic-tac-toe in a row. Went to the doctor said. Those are playing to the hand get red. Those are playing to the hand get red. Mother, can't you see what that baby has done to me? No,
Remember
because
this
fear. Alright, fear hand. Oh, remember the one who say, when they say in there, I did it down.
No.
Oh.
Wait, I remember. Wait. Yeah. Queen Elizabeth, she died last night. 9 years. She got brown eyes, she got tan, she got waistline, and he done me.
Stop shaking down my house.
On me wing. Alright, one more time. Come sit down upon the bed. I will play the other one. Mother. Mommy, give me some of your work.
Eat your food. Ready, go.
Just figure
More
it
time, more
out.
water, another.
Mother, can't you see what the baby have done for me? Take away.
Yeah, skip. Whatever.
Mother, can't you see
Oh,
what the
oh.
baby has done for me?
Think.
Skip. Yeah, skip school.
To do what? Mother, let's go.
Clap on the people.
Mother, can't you see?
Wait. No one you see to man,
What that baby has done to me? Take away my dirty car.
No, tic-tac-toe.
In a row. Who went to the doctor? Doctor said, don't talk to Leah and get rid. Mother, can't you see what that baby has done to me? Take away my dirty car.
Yeah, keep on.
Remember this one? Red tomato, ketchup, ice cream, make everybody push up.
You have too much to push up.
Somebody.
Remember this one? Remember this one? Yes.
No, sir.
Ready?
Chip.
So.
Chip. She did like that.
You're out. You did it wrong.
Yes, sir. Good workout.
Your fault.
All our thorough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.